Hi there, students. Overweening, an adjective. Overweeningly, even an adverb. And you can have a verb to overween, but it's not very common. Okay, overweening means being too proud of yourself, having too much confidence in yourself, particularly overweening pride, overweening arrogance, overweening vanity. Yeah, he was driven by overweening ambition. Yeah, so to overween, to be presumptuous, to be arrogant. Yeah, he had a very overweening manner about him and seemed to be very patronizing to absolutely anybody. Yeah, um, let's see. Excessively arrogant or just excessively when talking about opinions or appetites or things like that. I remember this word overweening from a long time ago when I first saw the word hubris. So I heard somebody use this word, so afterwards I went to the dictionary and I looked up hubris, and it said overweening pride. So I then had to go up and look up the word overweening. Yeah, okay, so overweening pride is a great definition of hubris. Yeah, overweening, arrogant, proud, vain, pompous, cocky, conceited. Yeah, self-confident, haughty. Yeah, if you say somebody is overweening, you're not being very complimentary about them. Let's see. I guess you could use overweening just to mean exaggeration, or excessive. Yeah. So parents always seem to have an overweening opinion of their children. They have an overweening admiration of their children. But again, this is taking in this concept of too proud, yeah, thinking too much of, yeah, but particularly his overwhelming pride, his overweening pride is his main downfall. So if you use the word overweening, this is definitely critical. Yeah, his overweening conceit is really annoying. He's just excessively arrogant. Yeah, it's just immodest. Yeah. I guess he overweens himself. He has too much of a high opinion of himself. So to overween, to think too highly of yourself, yeah, to make arrogant as well. Okay, so he's overweening certainty in his brilliance. I think maybe one of the things I never liked about Ronaldo was his overweening confidence in his ability. I get the feeling that Messi has a much less overweening attitude. Okay, so overweening, excessive confidence, excessive pride. You're just too cocksure. You're just so smug and haughty and patronizing and arrogant that, well, woof. Yeah, okay. I don't know, very often when you talk to people in the country who've never travelled abroad, yeah, they have overweening opinions about everything from their country, and as every country, there are good things and bad things, yeah, and you need to look at them objectively. So if somebody's being overweening, they're not being objective, yeah, they're looking at things in an unreasonable way. Yeah. So do you know anybody who's overweeningly proud? Yeah, so proud and hubristic that well, they're not really such a nice person. Okay, formality. This is a very formal literary word. I think I'm going to give it 7.5, maybe an 8 in formality. Use this in a semi-formal or formal essay and no more. As to origin, its over plus wean. Yeah. In Old English, when or wenna was hope or expectation, which comes from Proto-Germanic when is hope, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European when, to strive for something, to love something, to want something. Okay, so yeah, his overweening attitude is just too much for me to take. Yeah, his overweening demeanor, looking down his nose at everyone. Yeah, his overweening confidence. Yeah, it's a great verb. Yeah, he's overweeningly confident. He's overweeningly proud. Yeah, he's overweeningly cocksure of himself. Okay, so there I've used it to describe other adjectives. So try using it. If you use it in a conversation, many people are going to say, and what does that mean? Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Overweeningly.